Hi, I'm Vinita. I'm a personal transformation master hypnotherapist, coach, and healer. And my specialization is helping you overcome your insomnia, anxiety, and tinnitus completely naturally without medication. Now, that's my superpower, healing others and helping you unlock the greatness and the healing powers that exist within you. Now, what am I not expert in? Marketing, systems, operations. So, how do I find the clients out there who need my help? Well, I have to say it's not an easy job, and I wasted a lot of money on Facebook ads, courses, blah, 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 all this other crap until I found Scott Jansen. And I am very picky about who I vouch for, but this program of Scott's, it's called 100K, and it is literally it's insane. I think he charges way too little for it. And basically, in it, Scott takes you through step by step how to craft your niche, craft your offer, get your message out to the public, and how to get your message out there for free. It's literally insane. And I thought, no, this sounds too good to be true. I'm not sure. And I was a bit skeptical, to be honest, but I had nothing to lose. So I thought, you know what? The price is really affordable. I'm going to give it a shot. And I made my investment back within the first 3 days. And then in the next couple of days, I kid you not, I went from a blank calendar to just appointments like scrolling down my screen on my phone. It was very exciting. I think I nearly cried, if I'm honest, just from the shock. And then in the next month, I made 10K. And the crazy thing is, it seemed so effortless, but more exciting for me, I had clients in front of me who I could help. Client after client was finding their way back to a beautiful night of sleep naturally. They were overcoming their blocks and eliminating that anxiety and just absolutely transforming their life. Now, back to Scott's program and how I was able to get myself and my message in front of my clients. Here's the crazy thing. You don't even have to think. He literally maps everything out step by step by step. There are templates, there are scripts, and my message to people who start the program, who are new to it, is don't think, just do. Either watch the videos. If you've got any clarification questions, you ask Scott. And you literally just pause the video, execute, pause, execute. And even before, the first couple of days have passed, you will start to see those bookings just absolutely scrolling down your screen. It's it's kind of insane. Now, if that's not enough, he keeps adding to the course. So if you're a hypnotherapist, get ready because Scott keeps sharing new content. He keeps evolving the course at no additional cost. So it's like a lifelong thing, and we have lifelong access to him. It's just bonkers. And you can further your hypnotherapy studies, and you can learn about marketing on YouTube, on Facebook, ad free, by the way, and just a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't even know what to say. Just don't think, just do. There's probably a link somewhere around this video. If not, you can reach me, Vinita Temet, and I'll hook you up. Okay. So, as I said, if you're a coach, hypnotherapist, healer, and you want to get your message out there and you want to start working with clients but have no clue, or you've been trying from other courses, advanced systems and webinars, etc., and it hasn't worked for you, sign up for 100K. You'll make your money back in a couple of days. I did. And I am now seeing incredible clients and getting transformational results. Sounds crazy, but it's true. So why not jump in and give it a shot yourself? Have a great journey with your career.